parang yung bahay na to ay napapaligiran na ng isang napakalaking negative energy. So, para pampawalan ng negative vibes, nag-grocery kami. Siyempre, kasama ko yung napakagwapo kong anak. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, push daw, push. Let's go, okay?
Mama, Didi! Mama, Didi!
Bigyan mo, bigyan mo, bigyan mo.
Mama, Didi!
Put there. Put there.
No.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Let's go buy egg.
Egg. Okay, let's go. Wow. Huy, what are you doing? Are you eating chocolate? Huh? Huh? Now? Wow. Wow.
Akin na lang yung egg sa legs ko na lang.
Are you happy, Wal?
Hindi, Daddy.